Federation of Haumi Vice President and Indigenous Pillar Construction Committee Chairman Dr. Heera Kabui has accused Kuki groups of making long-standing attempts to erase identities of indigenous communities in Manipur by forcibly assimilating smaller ethnic groups under the Kuki banner. Addressing a press conference at Federation's office at Kabui, Laikai, Dr. Heera Kabui alleged that documents have been sent to the center falsely identifying communities such as Kom, Liangmai, Purum and Karam in Kabui district as Kuki villages. He claimed these communities are being compelled to participate in the ongoing ethnic conflict in the state, adding that their goal is to break Manipur into pieces and portray minority indigenous groups as victims. He further expressed concern that despite repeated clarifications that tribes like Aimul, Anal, Chiru, Chote, Koirao, Koireng, Kom, Maring, Moyon, Monsang and Purum are not part of the Kuki group, efforts to categorize them as such continue. In an effort to safeguard indigenous identity, the Federation is set to inaugurate an indigenous pillar engraved with the names of 25 Yek Salai. The stone pillar will be erected at land donated by Sombung Kabui Kunjao, with preparations nearing completion. A tree plantation program will also be held around the site on April 21. Leaders of the 25 indigenous communities, civil society organizations, VIPs and representatives from the Naga People's Organization are expected to attend. Dr. Heera Kabui urged the public to take part in the event, stating that the indigenous pillar would stand as a symbol of identity and unity among the indigenous peoples of Manipur.
Piglaba jati khrase Aimol gomba Anal gomba Chiru gomba Chote gomba Sigomba mayam se makoi Kuki gi ni Kuki jat ni tribe ni hai makoi puthok tuna ikoi gi piglaba ikoi gi proof yek sarai le bisina khabar ra chepong da makoi I basi lali hai na I hi ma mayam le re I hi so ikoi gi makoi na chungbi da ba adugi mathakta masi senjin sajin ba Heera ba makoi Kuki himna you know the gomba ikoi central union government gomda che sajin na tau se koi pelak ta ba aikoina nuksina na thaina mamangi ni thogi matam da gi yengla patarte makoi changding e de koi shanti oina le rom me chanti de wai ba se kananu achum ba che makoi na lan season pa machin thi ba ikai khang da ba ikai khang da gi achum ba sajin ba asine koi miyam da langtang na ba ekoi isin na oi ba I mari amakhak ta lak ba mayam se ekoi bu ngahol le adune ekoi se lan tawri ba se ekoi mite te taw natte ekoi hromi de taw pani hai ne ekoi ai hak chairman ama oi duna chema mayam se khangne ba gi paw ama ai achet ba oi na thamjeri